How to check and replace the push-to-start relay switch. If the problem with your dryer is that it runs when you're pushing the push-to-start button, but it stops running when you release the button, let me show you the easier way to check the switch to see if it's good or bad. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. Go behind the dryer and remove this panel. Make a jumper wire like this. Disconnect the wire harness from the switch. Insert the tips of the jumper wire on the terminals of the two blue wires in the harness. Insulate the connections with electrical tape. Turn the dryer around and put the timer on an off position. Connect the dryer to the wall outlet. Set the timer on the beginning of a drying cycle. If the motor runs okay and stops running when you turn the timer to the off position, the push-to-start relay is bad and will need to be replaced. Bypassing the push-to-start relay switch should only be done for testing purposes and to be able to use the dryer until you get a new replacement switch, and not as a replacement for the switch, okay? Now let me show you how to replace the switch. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. Remove the knob. Here is a little tip on how to remove the knob in case it's too hard to remove it. Make a loop like this from a piece of cord and use it like this to pull out the knob. Disconnect this wire from the switch and disconnect the wire harness. I'm going to remove this piece so you can see what I'm doing. You don't have to remove it. You will need to pull out this tab a little bit and turn the switch to the left until it comes out. Like this. To install the new switch, set it in place. Turn it clockwise until it locks in place. Then connect the wire harness and the black wire. Install the controls back panel and the knob on the push-to-start switch. Connect the dryer to the wall outlet. Set the timer on the beginning of a drying cycle and try the dryer to see how it works now. That was the way to check and replace the push-to-start relay switch.